Just-in-time learning, put simply, is when learning is available on demand. This is something we do frequently and quite effectively in our personal lives. Say, for example, I asked you what the length of the Sydney Harbour Bridge was. What would you do? You'd Google it. The reality is, when you or I are at our desks trying to work out how to merge two cells together in an Excel spreadsheet, we're far more likely to Google the answer to that specific question than enrol ourselves into a beginner's course for Microsoft Excel. A just-in-time learning approach aims to deliver specific information at the specific time it's needed. So why is that important in an organisation? Well, imagine how much easier it would be if everything your workforce needed to know was as easy as a Google search. Every day, 1 billion people around the world watch more than 300 million hours of YouTube videos alone. 30% of those hours are spent on how-to focused content videos. So from cooking to home repair, these quick videos satisfy a basic need or craving to learn a new skill. Instant, up-to-date and easily digestible information is how we choose to learn in our personal lives. There is absolutely no difference in terms of the preference for learning when it comes to the workplace. So what tools and resources facilitate just-in-time learning? Whether you call it an intranet, a knowledge base, a toolkit, a portal, any platform that connects and shares important information to the right people at the right time will facilitate just-in-time learning. The key is you want to build these platforms with your users in mind. The highest clicked YouTube videos or Google ranked articles have been thoughtfully categorised, tagged, written, produced, structured. In order for the workforce to engage in the searching and sharing of company information, the same principles apply. So what can attendees expect from April's workshop? Participants can expect to learn how to create a place where people can and will go to meet their learning needs, which will ultimately drive productivity, reduce training requirements, and significantly reduce the cost and pain of onboarding new staff. The best part is we'll be simplifying the process into 8 easy to follow steps that require less than $1,000 to implement.